Alright, we're going to start our mushroom pie by first searing up the mushrooms really well. So you want to add a good amount of fat. Mushrooms have 0 fat, and they kind of need that fat to really extract that flavor. And we're going to chop these up. Any variety of mushrooms that you like will work here. So whatever's looking really delicious in the market is good. I just went to the farmer's market and kind of picked up some maitake, some shiitake, and whatever you have, it all works. And it doesn't need to be any particular shape or size. So you just want to get it into edible pieces, and they will shrink quite a bit. You don't want the hard stems of the shiitake. You can keep it for stock, all chopped. You want to let this get nice and hot. You can go ahead and add a little bit of thyme into the oil, flavor the oil a little bit. And now that it's sizzling, go ahead and put this in. You want it in as thin a layer as you can get so that everything gets browned. It's never ideal. I always feel like I need a slightly bigger pan, but it shrinks a lot, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Meanwhile, I will get the garlic and the onions chopped up. As soon as this is nice and browned, we can add in the onions and garlic. I can already smell the fragrance of the mushrooms. Cut the onions up. See what's happening here. Cut the onion. Got a little bit of the, well, we'll cut that out later. I don't need them to be diced or very small. Just thin slices is good. So you get, you know, good surface area, but you don't have to work terribly hard at it. Chop up the garlic. Perfect. Nice. You can start to see it's getting a little bit brown and toasty and warm, and that's what you want. Let's go ahead and scoop these out. Let the onions happen a little bit. Let's get them caramelized. Meanwhile, I'm going to turn on the oven so that it preheats. We are going to bake this mushroom pie. So again, some nice 2 tablespoons or so of olive oil, all of the garlic and the onions, and in this case I am going to add the salt so that the water releases and we get nice browned onions. Okay, let's let that happen, and we will move on to our potatoes. So this is going to be the crust for our potatoes. I'm going to use a mandolin to slice it thinly You can peel it if you want. I am not peeling it. And I'm going to be using a little bit of cream cheese today. I'm using Veal Life. You can use whatever cream cheese brand you have there, because I happen to have some and I need to use it. So I'm just going to slice it up thin to give that nice creamy yumminess, that luxurious feel on the tongue. Probably need half of it because we're going to add a little bit of soy milk. While that's happening, we'll go ahead and add in a little more time into that. Just double up on the flavors. I have it in the garden, why not use it? And then a little bit of rosemary. Again, I have it in the garden, why not use it? You can use dried herbs as well, whatever combo of herbs that you enjoy. So it's not necessary that you grow your thyme and rosemary in order to make this. Just make it with whatever herbs you like. I'm going to add in a little bit of peas. So just for that green cuteness factor, I'm using petite green peas, about half a cup. We'll also throw in our mushrooms. We're going to throw in a little bit of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. And about a teaspoon of cumin. I love spicy food. 1 teaspoon of cayenne. Completely optional as always. All right, go ahead and add in the cream cheese. You can also use, you don't need to add the cream cheese. I have it and I want to use it up, so I'm adding it, but you can use just whatever plant milk you like, and we'll thicken that with a little bit of flour then. So I am adding some soy milk here. Spin it out. There we go. I can smell all the aromas, the flavors, they're just coming through nice and beautiful. Now if you want to make it a little extra special, you can go ahead and add a little bit of white wine. This is completely optional, obviously. You just want to add a little bit for acid. Acid just brings out that nice flavor. So you want to have a nice balance between the fattiness, the sweetness, the saltiness, the acid, all of those need to be in perfect balance to make a yummy meal. So I will add a little bit of black pepper to this. Go ahead and add a little bit of black pepper as well. So we're gonna put this on at about 180 degrees Celsius or about 350